slay, slay, slay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel.
Alright, you guys, so when it comes down to getting your client's hair prepared for the install, you just want to do something that's going to get the locks completely flat, especially when it comes down into the front, like the front of the hairstyle. You want the front of the hairstyle to be the flattest part. The back honestly really doesn't matter because she's getting curly hair, and I feel like with locks, curly hair is the best style because it doesn't have to be completely flat all the way around. Your main thing is making sure that you get the front and the top part as flat as possible. But when it comes down to the sizing of the locks and how thick they are, that's going to play a huge role. Instead of using a stocking cap, I'm actually using a knee high in the size extra large / plus size. And instead of using like a regular stocking cap, I'm using a knee high simply because it's tighter. And like I said, you want everything to be completely secured. Before putting the glueless gel on her hairline, I did use a little bit of alcohol and some skin guard. Then I went in with the glueless liquid melt gel from IAmErickaJproducts.com. Set her under the dryer, as you guys can see. Let it mold down. Went ahead, cut the excess pieces of cap off, applied the makeup, and now it's time to start applying the adhesive. Today we're going to be using the watermelon scented Hold Me Down adhesive, and I'm going to do about 3 to 5 layers. Personally, it's up to you. However, since she does have locks and I want it to be really, really secured, I'm going to apply 5 layers. This is an older bottle of adhesive, so I went ahead and took my little squirty top off and I'm just squeezing it completely out because I want to make sure I get all of the product out of there. And you want to make sure that no matter how much product does come out, you want to make sure you are still applying thin, even layers. So even though I did squeeze a lot of product out, I am, smoothing it all around her hairline and putting some of it in other spots, like moving to the other side. You don't want to just sit that product on there and expect it to dry. You want to make sure that the layers are going on evenly, like you see me doing, and you want to make sure that they are turning clear. If they don't turn clear, that means you applied too much of the adhesive in one spot. So you want to make sure you smooth that out. This wig was a completely natural color, the natural color that wigs come in, like the 1B brownish color. Slate by Jordan did color this hair for us, and we are going to be applying this wig with an extra bundle added onto it, which you guys will see me doing. And since she does have locks, it is a little hard to put on because she has extra hair under there. Like she couldn't get flat braids. So, it's going to be a little bit extra work when it comes down to applying a wig over locks, especially with a normal sized wig. Like this isn't an extra large cap size wig. This is a standard 22-inch circumference wig. If you have been watching my videos for quite some time, you know how crazy I am about the old school hot comb. However, lately I have been using an electrical hot comb from EAP Heat. That's the company of this hot comb, and it honestly works really, really good. When I'm using the blow dryer, most of the time it's going to be on a warm to hot setting. I don't make it too hot because it can be very unbearable, so I'm mostly using warm. This is a HD lace. Like I said, this color wig was colored by Slate by Jordan. This color did come like as a natural color, but we asked for a custom color, which is this copper slash auburn, whatever you want to call it, cinnamon. But I will be selling hair very soon. But however, we are not selling hair at this moment. This is the extra bundle that I was referencing to earlier in this video. And we are going to add this around the ponytail. Like, that's one thing that I really hate. When people do half up, half down ponytail styles and the ponytail is super thin compared to the rest of the hairstyle. I just like things to flow evenly and for the fullness to be there. So we are adding an extra bundle to the ponytail area. This is the completed style. She did not want it to be like that super wet curly look. She did want it to be fluffy, so I did not add anything extra to weigh the hair down and make it super curly and activate the curls. I just left it exactly how it was. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.